Sweet. I have my Glue and Fly series F-22 Micro, my DIY Parkjet out here today. I've got over 400 flights on it. I've crashed it a couple of times, and it's at the point now where it's time to retire it and then redesign and build a new one. Let's go launch it. All right, launching. Alright, well at least we've launched well. Alright, that's full left stick, left aileron. Got a pretty wide radius and fully stabilized mode. Alright, so let's try full right stick. Looks about the same. Alright, so now we're in wind mitigation mode. We could do some stuff. Kind of weird having a gyro in it for the first time. Sweet. I'm gonna miss this Parkjet. I'll try to get this flight and one more flight posted before I scrap it. Just a great handling little DIY Parkjet. It looks like the wind mitigation, that is very different. Looks like the rolls are nice and tight and axial. Wind mitigation is working well. I didn't see any oscillations when I had it in fully stabilized mode, so I think it's winter turkey dinner here. That is awesome. I'll tell you what, for a Adams ready board little Parkjet, as hard as I have flown it over the years, I am totally impressed that this has gotten over 400 flights on it with a couple of crashes, no less. That is awesome. I published the plans a long time ago, so if you guys are interested in a really nice flying little Adams ready board Parkjet, you can see how it handles, right? So if you're looking for, if you're wanting to build one, plans for this are available. I'll try to remember to provide links to those in the show notes with this video, with information on the nice climb out, information on the electronics that I use with it. Very inexpensive build. I think at the time I built, of course things are a lot more expensive now than they were then, but I think that my bind and fly build on this was less than $100. Okay, so let's bring it back around, bring it in. Let's see how this goes. Get it over the dirt. Oh, that was easy. That's even easier in fully stabilized mode, coming in for a landing. Oh, Well, that worked out well. I really like this Radiolink Bind DV gyro for these Elevon only aircraft, whether it's a Parkjet or whether it's a wing. It seems to work really, really well without producing oscillations. I'm really liking this little gyro. Anyway, if I remembered, the links to the plans will be in the show notes. I'll probably have one more flight video of this to publish before I retire it. But man, what a great little airframe it has been. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.